Hey there, this is Peter. I'm out here at Kriete Truck Center in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. We're looking at a 2020 Kenworth T680 sleeper truck. It's got 565,000 miles on it. It's got a Cummins engine, 12-speed automatic transmission. This 2020 Kenworth T680 is in great shape. It's been through detailing, gone through our service department, DOT inspected. It's ready to hit the road. We do have finance options available for you. Call or text me. My number is 920-934-0867. 920-934-0867. Come out to Fond du Lac at Kriete Truck Center. We've got lots of other Kenworth and Freightliners just like this one. Have a great day.